Once you're in the design area, Canva's very easy to use. It's pretty intuitive. On the left side there are different toolboxes that I call them, or tools in the toolbox. So the first one is templates. So the nice thing about templates is if you're pretty new at designing items, it gives you something to start with. So let's say I want to start with a Christmas theme, and if I type that in there, what I'll get is a whole bunch of different items that have already been created. Let's say I like this one. This one's free. You'll see some of these will say EDU. Those are included as part of your premium account. But let's say we like this one, and you'll notice that it resizes it automatically to fit the document. And all of these items, if you click over them, they're different items that you can edit. So if you wanted to change Merry Christmas, you want to change the words, you want to change the colors, you'll notice that once you click on an item, a menu that works with that item will show up. Like in this case, it's the colors first. So if we wanted to make Santa's hat, for instance, a different color, that would be really easy to do. But you can see that the menus change. So that's templates. If you don't like this template, you can easily switch to another one just by clicking on it, and it takes over your document. If you by chance had made your document the wrong size, you'll notice there's a resize menu up here. And again, you can take and change your items and hit resize, and it'll take the items and try its best to kind of put them in the right order. So that's the templates and resize menus. The next thing is elements. There are different elements that you may want to have on your drawing. So let's say we're going to take this and we're going to move it over because I'm going to add an item onto my design. So I'm going to put this Santa cap on there, and you'll notice the Santa cap has a background that's transparent, and the reason is because I'm going to add that picture onto something else. So you can search whatever you'd like for this. So if you want to do football, you'll see that there's all kinds of different elements that you can add to your design. Uploads is really simple. It's just where you can upload your own images. You see I've done a couple different ones, but if you wanted to upload, you just click upload media and you'll pick the one that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to put this picture of Cam that I previously updated. I'm going to put it down on my graphic, and then you'll notice when I click on it, these corners have dots on them, which means I can move them, make them bigger or smaller. And I can do the same thing with my hat. So I'm going to take that hat and I'm going to put it on Cam. Now, when you have an item like that, as you learn through Canva, there's a lot of things to pick up on. But as you learn through, you'll realize that you can move things around. So in this case, I right-clicked and I'm going to send that picture of Cam backwards. Now it's underneath that. So now you can see that I can put a Santa cap on Cam. So it's very easy to upload an image and then manipulate it and use it with the template and the elements that you have. If you want to add text, you click on the text button, and you can add like generic text, but you can also add some that have been combined together already. And you do the same thing. You click on this. You'll notice this beach house one. It's an EDU. And again, we can resize that. And if we click on it, we can change that messaging. And then, of course, the last part I'm going to show you, the last two parts, is if we wanted to change the color scheme for this document, they've already have some predetermined ones. So let's say we want to use this one. We just click on it, and what you'll see is it changes all of the elements to fit not only the font, but also a different color scheme. And it's super easy to do that. I like Canva because it makes you look better. And then, of course, the last part of that is the tool is the background. So you can select a color background, a different color background if you'd like. You can choose just by clicking on it.